Alright guys, welcome back to Pease Laboratory. Today we're out here in the backyard. Some nice weather outside. Alright, so today we're going to be making the pasta rocket. So we got a little piece of pasta right here, about yay big. We have our fire source because we're going to need to light something up eventually. We got our active dry yeast. We have our hydrogen peroxide right there. Get that in focus, that's right. And now right here we have our hole that we're gonna be using right there. So I think I said in the video, make sure you don't keep this on because the amount of pressure that's gonna be building up. So we're gonna make sure not to use that lid. Cap this. So I'm gonna set up basically the experiment and then we'll cut to another look while we light it up because I don't want to be in front of it when it lights up. I don't know how crazy this gets. So I'm gonna go ahead, pour the hydrogen peroxide. And a little splash in there, yay much. All right, and then next up we got coming the reaction. We're gonna put the dry yeast in, and then we're gonna seal it up a little bit, leave a little airflow, and put the pasta and light it up. So we'll cut to another take. All right, so we got our hydrogen peroxide in the base right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just get this part ready, just in case things get a little crazy, you know. Got the pasta sealed up right there. Got our fire. All right, let's get one of these yeasts. Open one of these pigs real quick. All right. Cut. All right. Appropriate supplies. We're gonna use some scissors. So we're supposed to use 1 teaspoon, but we use a little bit bigger cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe about 2 teaspoons worth on it. And we're just gonna kind of eyeball that a little bit. So after we pour this, the reaction should start. You should see these two ingredients kind of start to show. Trying to open this up a little bit so it's easier to pour. All right, we got this ready to go. About 2 teaspoons. So give it a little shake. Get the reaction going. All right, so we got that sealed on there right there. Oh shit. It's getting crazy. You see it kind of starting to give. You want to zoom in on that fire. There it is, it's wanting to go. All right, as you saw, maybe we got a little crazy on the yeast. It started pouring out. The flame was wanting to start, kind of give that rocket feel to it. I'll try it one more time. Now that it's calmed down a little bit, give it one more little shake. Some last gas to come through and see if we can start it up. Yeah, so maybe we can adjust some of the portions. And that's it, that's the lab for today. So as you can see, the chemicals kind of created all that gas put out. The lid started shooting up. That's why we didn't get that seal for the air to start going through the noodle. So that was our only mistake. So our only mistake, maybe just actually measure out the yeast a little bit, put a little bit less for the reaction. And we should be able to see that flame because it was wanting to start, but it lifted on the side right here and we got all the CO2 and all that, the air coming out right there. So we couldn't get the perfect pasta rocket, but we saw a good example of the reactions.